In this latest update, there's also been an enhancement to the steel line end caps. So you can see I have a steel stitch here in the properties box. I have a couple of them, and the end caps are located here in the properties box. For a steel stitch, you can see you have a start line cap and you have a stop line cap. And so this is based off of where it starts and ends, where the start and end points are. So if you come in here, you have standard, rounded, sharp, you have a 45 cut point and a 135. And so the claim is that this has just been enhanced to be a little bit nicer. And because, to be honest with you, there's been times where I haven't really been too pleased with it. And this looks pretty good right here. But you'll notice that there's still some things that I hope will get enhanced with it, but that is a pretty good job. But watch what happens when I undo that. Let me go back another one here. So when I had this as a straight end here, like just a standard, and this one was rounded, notice how much sharper that is. So if I come back in here and I change this one to rounded, notice that it's going to change this one as well. So that's just something that's a little bit strange to me. I don't know why that is, but I'm hoping that still gets kind of taken a look at a little bit. But this is a good rounded ends. I do like it when they're actually both selected. I don't really care for it if only one is selected, though. I just think that that's quite a bit. But there would be uses for it. So, and we can just come in here. You have the 45 cut, and let's go ahead and just see what happens when I do it for the start as well. And see, that one didn't change at that time. This one stayed the same when I added the other one. So just kind of an interesting thing to point out there is that they will change a little bit with the rounded. One of the things that I still am kind of hopeful for at some point is that with this rounded ends that there might be some kind of another color of a dot where we can pull it and it will actually bend it more or round it more or make the 45 cut point take place at a longer, just by being able to kind of click and drag it to manipulate how it looks. That's what I'm hoping for at some point. I think that would be a really nice feature. But it is a welcome enhancement to these line caps for steel stitches, because I do find these being pretty useful at times. And so anything that we get that enhances these is a great thing. So those have been updated just in the quality of what it produces. So that's that new feature enhancement for steel line end caps.